What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. I'm trying to bake again. So I'm gonna make a chocolate pie, and I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. So you will have to stay tuned, and you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is make your simple syrup. So I've got equal parts sugar and water in a small sauce pot. I'm just going to mix that together till all the sugar is dissolved, and once it comes to a boil, take it off of the heat and set to the side. Then in my blender, I'm going to take 1 pound, you heard me, 1 pound of silken tofu, which is so hard to find, and then add my simple syrup right on top. Now, I've got some vegan chocolate that I've melted down. If you want to know how to melt down chocolate, just watch my truffle video. So I'm adding that, and then I've got some cinnamon going in, a little bit of some vanilla, and some salt. Now, I used paprika, but you should really use chili powder, and then you're just going to mix all of that together until you have a nice, smooth, mousse-like texture. Okay, on to the crust. So you need 19 Oreos, and then I would recommend actually putting these in a food processor, but I was really angry that the store-bought crust that I tried to use did not work, so I took out my frustration on these Oreos in this Ziploc bag. Either way, the job gets done. This step is optional, so I'm adding some vegan butter and 2 tablespoons of some sugar, and then just mixing that together. Now, here's why I said a food processor would be better for this. As you can see, it's a little chunky, which is why I'm taking a spoon to smooth it out, but it gets done. You're gonna add your pie filling, chill for 4 hours or overnight like I did, and then just to garnish, I've got some vegan chocolate shavings that are going right on top. Took it to work, and y'all, it was a success. This is what it looks like once it gets cut open. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.